This is a final video to fix the crackling and distorted sound that randomly starts on your iPhone 16 Pro running iOS 26.2. Are you tired of hearing static or weird noises while listening to music or watching videos? This problem happens because of software glitches or background apps interfering with your iPhone's audio system. Most solutions you find online or on social media are long, confusing, and hard to follow. But I have a simple trick that works every time. On Rexish, we discovered an easy method that resets the audio settings without affecting your personal data and stops the crackling immediately. If you want to show you the step-by-step tutorial, comment below and I'll make it for you.